Hi everyone, welcome to Sailor's fantastic 2020 MASH 50, obviously 50cc. It's covered just 257 kilometers, so that is about what, 160 miles, I think, 170 miles. Very close to brand new. I can't call it brand new. It's a June 2020. It's completely original. Come with a 2-year manufacturer warranty, so it's still under manufacturer warranty. You can still see the little hairy bits on the tyres from where it's done literally no mileage at all. So if you want to save yourself an absolute fortune over what the new bikes are, I think they're close to 2.5 grand new. This one's genuinely not even running. Not a lot to say about it. It's faultless condition. There's no marks on it, there's no scratches. Like I say, it's a June 2020 registered. Completely standard. All the original like warning stickers on it and everything. Rides obviously like a brand new bike as well. Easy bike to video this really. It's very much like taking a new bike out. So pop the ignition on. You've got to pull the clutch in to start them. Just going to fire it up for you. Sorry, put that on 2 seconds. Quite hard when you're trying to hold the camera, so. Choke. Very cool looking 50, eh? I mean, obviously it's a limited market, the 50cc's. Just going to show you, do need to let these warm up. I've just taken that off the choke a little bit too quick, so whoever buys it, obviously just leave the choke on. Leave it running with the choke lever in a little bit. A 50cc engine, obviously 0.05 of a litre. They take a fair bit of time to warm up. Obviously with it being a air-cooled bike, and they run them quite lean for emissions. They sip fuel. You'll get very good fuel economy out of it. Yeah, quite cool. That's a bit better. Alright guys, so there we have it, 2020 MASH 50cc with about 160 miles on. Thanks for watching.